traction control off. Show you what happened when I hit it in first gear. Got the little Tesla.
What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, about to go for a drive in a Ferrari. First time being in the Ferrari, first time going to be riding in one. So we're about to get in Wheel Motivations F8 Spider. So the Tributo is the coupe, the Spider is the convertible. Just learn that because I'm not good on my Ferraris. The Roma is kind of like the California replacement, and the SF90 is the flagship, kind of like the Aventador for Lamborghini. You also got the Huracan over here, VF supercharged. So Huracan Evo rear wheel drive. So man, he's doing big things here. Red eye to our RS3s over there. But let me get suited up so we can get into the Ferrari. So let's jump into it. Got the red interior. Woo! Alright, it's that new right here. Demonetization. We got carbon fiber on the door handle, speaker. Dang, even on the vent. I got a digital gauge in there.
Yeah, you got the gauge for the passenger.
Man,
Ready?
Ready. I don't think I ever been in the drop top before. Hold on, man, it's different. Driver centric up in here. Everything all over there.
Steering wheel got all kind of stuff on it.
Oh man, that's
Steering wheel got everything on it. This car is quick. This car is real quick.
So is this faster than the Evo stock?
Stock, yeah.
Okay.
Stock it'll slaughter the Evo.
Oh wow.
But with the supercharger, Huracan's will be a little bit faster.
Oh dang, just by a little bit?
A little bit faster. Yeah, this thing is fast. This is a competition for the 720S.
Oh dang.
Yeah, this is what they came up with. Let the engine get warmed up, then I hit it.
Okay. Man, what do it rev up to?
Red line's at 8.
Ooh.
And you blow the engine up at 10.
Money shift.
But yeah, it's a fun car to like, drive around town. On the freeway, it's a little bit iffy. Like it's not planted like a Lambo.
Okay.
Lambo on the freeway, planted.
Mm-hmm.
This car, it doesn't feel planted on the freeway. It feels like it wants to bump steer. Like you hit a bump and it wants to jut like a different direction.
Gotcha.
Which I'm not that fond of. But I'm gonna take you on my favorite little route back here.
All right, cool. Is it true that Ferrari will like cease and desist if you mod their cars in a certain way?
Nah, they won't do that when you mod the car. But what they will do is when you go to sell it back to them, they won't take it.
Oh wow.
Yeah, they won't take it. This car's fast. This car is
Man.
definitely fast, bro. This car is definitely.
Man.
Nice thing about it doesn't have no turbo lag.
Oh yeah.
So I can't even imagine having my M4 faster than this. That's gonna be crazy.
That don't make sense, man.
That's gonna be crazy. I can't wait to see what that's like. Take a little drive. When we come back, I'll get in the RS3, you can get in your Beamer, and we can do the same little route back here.
Okay.
Yeah, 'cause it's a nice little, you'll see it's like my test route. It's one of my test routes. Hopefully there's no cars that'll get in front of us.
Oh yeah.
It's a nice little route. Probably maybe 2 mile long stretch.
We ain't got nothing curvy in Michigan. It's just all straight.
So I'm gonna show you what happens when I turn it. I got the traction control off. I'll show you what happens when I hit it first gear.
Uh-oh.
You got the little Tesla. Got stability control and traction control. So I just turn off the traction. Stability can stay on because it'll still pretty much do anything you want it to do.
Got
I'll get too crazy.
Man. That's nuts, man.
Hey, this car's quick.
I felt the same thing I feel in like when an EV go like full send, like a roller coaster. Man. Hey, what's the sticker on one of these?
Sticker on this is starting price for the Spider is like $350 or $360. I think something like that. The coupe is like $310 or $320. But I mean, it's kind of like if you get a new one, if you can just get your hands on one and finance it or whatever, if you can get a new one, it's like they're giving you a free car. Because when I bought this car, I put enough mods or carbon fiber and stuff on it and options to get it to 420. But if they were to sell it right out, it would be worth 520.
Dang.
So it's like they just gave me money.
Man. Oh, so you spec this one to your liking?
Yeah, I spec'd it and waited for it. I waited a year.
Oh, dang.
But waiting a year and getting it and not paying any markup on it, if I turn around and sold it, I could immediately make $100 grand.
Man.
So what I'm gonna do is keep the miles low, wait a year, so I could be in a good standing with the dealership, and then I can sell it and make some money.
That's a cheat code right there.
Cheat code, bro. Free Ferrari, bro.
What?
Yeah, you just gotta pay your insurance. Yeah. This is my little route back here.
Man, this thing comfortable too.
Yeah, these seats aren't that bad. Now they got some. These are carbon fiber, but they're not buckets.
Gotcha.
I think they have a bucket seat, but man, I don't recommend that to my worst enemy.
Oh dang.
Yeah, the bucket
you got your name on the plaque right here.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all see that? Dang.
When I sell it, I guess I have to buy one where they can cover it up.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
I don't know. That might increase the value a little bit.
You can do something legendary.
Yep. You doing it though.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind bringing my RS3 back here.
Yeah, that would be fun,
Take
man.
this little route. Gotta break that thing in.
This spec is beautiful, man.
Appreciate it.
All these buttons. Buttons everywhere. Shout out to Will Motivation once again for giving me a ride in his F8 Spider. Crazy experience, man. I see why people love these Ferraris. Comfortable, dumb fast. Like you said, it's a McLaren 720 levels of power. And it looks good. People are staring. Man, no better feeling than that, man. But huge shout out to him. Also, go check out the MOC, our Race Car Friends, Blueprint 1LE, and 100 Gang Next. So go check out their channels, feature channel. Go check out Will's channel as well. Shout out to him for letting us see it once again. Much appreciated. But with that, on to the next video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace out.